Good morning, participant of the Borobudur International Symposium. Introduce my name Agus Subrijono from Stifar Yayasan Farmasi Semarang. I and my friend from Stifar Yayasan Farmasi Semarang, Mrs. Aryani Esti Wulan and Mrs. Endang Stioningsi, have conducted a research with title Effect of Administration of Telang Flower Extract or Clitoria ternatia on degenerative hepatocyte and liver. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to share my presentation. Ladies and gentlemen, as we know, cigarette meats from tobacco are very dangerous for human because cigarette contain more than 4,000 chemicals and around 200 of them are harmful to health. Some components of cigarette smoke are gas such as carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, hydrogen cyanide, and nitrogen oxide, which have the potential to cause free radical. Several other components of the cigarette smoke are solid particles, such as nicotine, phenol, tar, and cadmium. Exposure to cigarette smoke is one of the risk factors for the onset of various diseases. Cigarette smokes contain high level of free radical, so that it can cause cell damage, one of which a hepatocyte cell to cause necrosis. Telang flower extract is propertized as an antioxidant. Flavonoids that function as antioxidant can reduce the amount of radical bebas formed from the lipid peroxidation process and repair cell damage. This research aim was to determine the effect of telang flower extract on degenerative hepatocyte and necrosis of liver cell in the mice exposed to cigarette smokes. This research is through experimental with post-test only controlled group design. The sample is used male mice with the inclusion criteria with body weights 25 to 50 gram, 12 weeks of age, healthy, nice, looking active, and not there is anomaly, abnormality. Early stage with remediation flower telang with ethanol 96%. After the extract obtained, it was then given to mice a dose of 4,000 milligram per kilogram body weight per day. Preparation stage. The mice that have been placed in animal cages are moved into the smoking chamber and then given cigarette smoke according to dose 2.25 milligram per 100 gram of body weights. 2 for control negative. The sample 1 given 0.75 milligram per 100 gram of body weights. To sample 2 given 1.5 milligram per 100 gram of body weight. And sample 3 given 2.25 milligram per 100 gram of body weight. as the preparation of liver histology. Liver organ preparation using hematoxylin eosin to the observation stage. The liver cell preparation was placed on the microscope with 400 times magnification, then observed and description. First, the mice were given anesthesia by injection ketamine intramuscularly, waiting until the mice become limp. After that, surgery is performed. Then the liver has prepared with HE, staining, then observed and microscope with 400 times magnification and observed and described it and record. We research in the research. The result of liver histological analysis of mice using HA Eosin staining showed that there was damage in this group of mice that were compared to the normal group. Liver damage in the mice due to exposed cigarette smoke. The liver of the control group mice was normal, namely the mice that were not treated showed central veins, and the hepatocyte apparel normal. See figure in 1. In the negative control group, namely mice exposed to cigarette smoke for 7 days, there was a dilation of the central vein, inflammatory cell, degeneration, and a lot of necrosis. See figure in 1b. Then given ethanol extract of telang per kilogram body per day for 7 days, necrosis, inflammatory cell, degeneration, and liver cell regeneration began to be seen. We figure to see to the repair of the mice liver exposed to cigarette smoke after giving telang flower, then given ethanol extract of telang flower a dose 400 per kilogram body weights per day for 7 days. Necrosis, inflammatory degeneration, and liver cell regeneration began to be seen. From the table, it can be seen that there are generative increase due to exposure to cigarette smoke in the negative control 157.8%, while the increase in necrosis is 81.29%. From the table 1, it can be seen that there is a degenerative decrease to the administration of telang extract 400 milligram per kilogram body weights in the sample exposure to cigarette smoke at negative control compared to sample group 1, group 2, and group 3 of 74.14%, 51.6%, and 3.27%. While the decrease in necrosis is 70.8% and 14.23%. So we extract telang can be able to decrease degenerative hepatocyte and necrosis. This mice, from the result of the research, I take conclusion. Telang, flower, extract is able to reduce or decrease degenerative hepatocyte and necrosis of liver cell in mice exposed to cigarette smoke. Very, very able to decrease or reduce degenerative hepatocyte and necrosis of liver cell. So, so thank you for your attention to my presentation. Okay, I close my presentation. Bye bye. Thank you.